Good day, Miss Agipo. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Abigail C. Agipo. I am 34 years old. I live in San Fernando, Pampanga, Dolores, Macabacolet.
What is your marital status, ma'am?
I am married.
Okay. Do you have any kids, ma'am?
I have two children. The one is 4 years old and the one is 10 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 3 siblings and I am the youngest in our family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a computer programming, 2 years vocational.
Okay. Do you have any work experience abroad?
I have a work experience in abroad as a factory worker at Taiwan.
Do you have any work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines?
Yes, sir. I have working in local as one family and 3 children, including the 1 baby. I do my responsibilities doing like cleaning the house, ironing, gardening, and do my responsibilities.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, loyal, and honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoos, ma'am?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to have my own house and I want to give them my daughters a better future, and I want to have an experience as domestic helper at abroad.
Okay, ma'am. Are you scared of cats and dogs?
No, sir.
How would you handle a child? How would you handle a naughty child or a child with tantrums?
I will talk to them as a calm and talk to them what they want to do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Can you sing us a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like ABC, The Wheel of the Bus.
Please proceed with the wheels on the bus, ma'am.
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. If you will be chosen, ma'am, what is your message to your future employer?
I promise I'll do my responsibilities, and I am a hardworking, and I hope to be in your domestic helper soon, and to being a very responsible person.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
sir.
you.